Very good morning, everyone. This is the case study related to the macros. So, in the C language, we are using many macros which will help you to develop a project, and also we are using many macros inside our program which reduce the running time of the project. Also, that is the reason we are using the macros. So, this macros is the main part of the C preprocessor. Whenever we are using that, we are using the keyword as a define, and we develop the macros ourselves. Even our user defined macros also we can develop it, and that macros we can use inside the program also, which gives a more performance when we are running the program. And also we can easily identify the errors when we are using that. So what is macros? It is a predefined code block, and replace that code whenever it is doing the compilations on. So it doesn't run before the compilations. So that is what we are using. That the syntax has defined whatever the name we are giving that and what is that value we are going to quote into that. So this is what macros is, and there are many macros out there. Object like the macros directly we are passing the values. Otherwise functions we can calculate that values and we define as a functions. And also whenever we are doing some conditions, if and if, like that is also we can do the conditional macros, and the files also we can include by using the hash include. So these are the types of the macros we are using it. So the case study is sensor data logger. Here the challenge is to reduce the memory and improve the code reuse. So use macros for frequently used computations and constants. So like whenever that temperature is overheated, by using that we can identify the sensor alert somebody else. So when we are keeping that temperature limit as a defined value, that we called as a preprocessor macros. So this is one example I'm just giving to you. So by using that, the code can be reusable many times inside the program, and the functionality will be improved, and we that gives that more performance when we are running the program, because already predefined. And also it is doing the executions when it is the compilation time only, that which gives the more uh, value to the program, and time also reduced to that. So the time complexity and space complexity we can reduce this way. So like but whenever we are using the complex macros, so we have to be need more careful for when you are inline the functions inside it. So that is the only risk we have to identify that. So always that best practices is keep macros very simple, and this will help you to make the program is easy. So like the way you can prepare any one of that macros in your project, and that you have to submit to into the class.